Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and play Half-Life PC game in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and play Half-Life PC game in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So basically, Half-Life is a PC game. In this video, I'm going to show how you can install and play it in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. Half-Life is a PC game which cannot be run in the Android, but I'm going to show how you can run in Android with using Exagear. Exagear is an application. It is an emulator application from where you can run any PC software. There are a lot of videos on my channel that I have shown how you can install and run in your Android, like Photoshop, Microsoft Office. There are a lot of softwares I have shown how you can install in Android. There are a lot of Android games available on the Play Store, but I am going to show how you can install and run PC game in your Android. So there are a lot of upcoming videos on my channel that I am going to show how you can run any PC game in your Android phone, like GT. In my previous video, I've shown how you can run Counter-Strike game, and in this video, I'm going to show how you can play Half-Life game. And in my upcoming video, I try to show another game which is only for PC, available for the PC, like GTA, and soon the GTA 5 video coming on it. I am working on it. So I'm working on the GTA 5 to run any low-end device, because the game is very heavy and it required a lot of GB, approx 60, 70, 80 GB it required, and it will require a high-end device. So I'm working on it to play in low-end device. Like I'm having low-end device in this device. I'm trying to run the GTA 5 game. So soon the video coming on GTA 5, so subscribe to my channel for that upcoming video. For now, in this video, I'm going to show how you can run Half-Life PC game in your Android. If you want to install and play Half-Life PC game in your Android, so first of all, you have to download an application called Exagear Windows Emulator. So this is the emulator application for Android. I don't know about this application, so let me just give you a quick brief of this application. So this is the Windows emulator application, where using this application you can install and run or play any PC software or any PC game in your Android, which is Windows PC game or Windows PC application. While using this application, you can do that. So if you want to install and run this application, I have made a separate tutorial video on my channel. You can check out my channel. In that video, I have shown how you can install and run Exagear Windows Emulator application in your Android. After downloading and installing Exagear Windows Emulator application, you need to download another application, which is Input Bridge. So in my previous video, I have shown how you can download and install this Input Bridge application and how you can create your own joystick. This application you need to install because we are going to play a PC game in Android. We cannot play with the touch, so you need a keyboard. If you don't have physical keyboard, you have to play with the phone keyboard, but the phone keyboard will going to take all the space of the screen. You can't see the game how you can play it. So to fix that problem, the developer have created this application called Input Bridge. While using this application, you can get the joystick in the Exagear Windows Emulator application. There is no preloaded joystick in this Exagear Windows Emulator application. Since very long time I am using it, but if you want to play any game, it's very complicated for you to play in this application. As we know, PC games are only playable with the keyboard. It's impossible to play with the touch. So to fix that problem, the developer have created this application. While using this application, you can get the joystick in the Exagear application. With the joystick, you can play the PC game in your Android. So if you want to get the joystick, you have to install this application, and you have to check out my previous video. In that very detailed tutorial that how you can install this application and how you can create your own joystick and how you can get the joystick in the Exagear Windows Emulator application. You can check out my previous video. Downloading both the application, you need to download another file, which is Half-Life game. I'm going to provide this game in link in the description. You can check out. So as you can see, this is the half-life.exe. It's a box 200 MB. You have to download the downloading in the description. Now I'm going to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. First of all, I'm going to just install the game. Then after, I will show you the gameplay. So let me just open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So as you can see, now I'm going to click on the three lines, manage containers. If you didn't get any container, you can create from clicking on the plus sign. So let me just, I have created all the, so I have already created the container. So let me just click on the run explorer. So as you can see, the Exagear has been open here, and it will be in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the Android phone, and let me just set up the camera. So as you can see, this is the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and this is the desktop of this Exagear application, and it will open the D drive file manager. And make sure after downloading the Half-Life game setup, you have to keep in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because the Exagear will going to access the download folder as a D drive. As you can see, this is the D drive of this file manager of the Exagear, and it will access all my download folder. And before installing any game, make sure you have install these things in your Exagear. Let me just show you. So as you can see, make sure you have install Microsoft Visual C++ in your Android and Wine. So this is the Wine Mono runtime. So you have to install all this in your Exagear Windows Emulator application. If you don't know, you can just search in the YouTube. You can, there are a lot of people who are showing that. And make sure you also have the DirectX in this Exagear application. So now, as you can see, this is the Half-Life exe file. So let me just long press on it. Let me just click to open. So I have opened the Half-Life exe file. So this is the installer, game installer. So let me just click to OK on the English language. So as you can see, this is the Half-Life setup, and let me just click to next. So it will require 500 MB of your Android internal storage. So make sure it will going to take your Android internal storage. You have make sure you have storage of the 500 MB left in your Android phone. So let me just click to next. It will make sure it will check on the create a desktop shortcut. Let me just click to next and just click to install. And as you can see, the Half-Life gaming installing over here in the Exagear Windows Emulator application. Here you have to wait for a while to the game to install. You do make sure you did not close the application and did not do anything. So you have to keep the phone aside for a while to let the game will install in the Exagear Windows Emulator application. After installing, you can do anything. So here I'm going to fast forward the video. So as you can see in the screen, the Half-Life game has been successfully installed in my Android phone. So let me just uncheck this launch. So I'm not going to launch this game from here. So let me just click to finish. Now I'm going to minimize the file manager. Now I'm going to open the game from the start button. So let me just click to start button and click to programs, Half-Life. And as you can see, this is the game appear here. So let me just click to Half-Life. So now the game will going to open in the Exagear application. So as you can see, the game have been opening over here. So as you can see, the game has been open. You can adjust the screen while zooming in, zooming out. So as you can see, the graphics of this game, at first time it will going to take some time, and it maybe can lag for while, because for the very first time we are opening the game. After some time it will going to work normally, and it will we'll get a good FPS. So as you can see, let me just click to new game. Just decrease the volume. So let me just tell you, this is the server game. So make sure you have connected with the internet in your Android phone, maybe mobile data or Wi-Fi. So I've connected with Wi-Fi, and it will connecting to the server. So just now I've clicked to new game, and it will as I mentioned earlier, it will going to take some time to open for the very first time, but after some time it will going to get very smooth by time. So let me just click to easy mode, just click to play. So as you can see, the server is loading, the game server is loading over here, and make sure you have good internet connected, because the game is Steam game and it will connect it to the servers and going to play. So as you can see, it will saying, note the server is VSE secured, cheating will be result in a permanent ban. So you don't need to do cheating in this game, you will get to banned. We don't need worry, we'll uninstall and install. So the game is opening up here. So as you can see in the screen, the game has been started up here, and as you can see, they are getting some lags, glitch, but you don't need to worry. It's for only for the first time. After day by day it will get clear and smooth. So as you can see this the graphics of this game, and this game is not playable with the touch and keyboard. So as you can see, it will showing loading. The game is still loading, so you have to wait over here. And as you can see, it will, so as you can see the graphics of the game, so it will, if you want to play, you have to use keyboard. While using keyboard, the half of the screen will get covered. It's very complicated to play the game with the keyboard. So as you can see, you have to touch and you have to open the keyboard, and there is no joystick over here, as you can see. So to play this game clear very smoothly, I have a specific solution for you. So if you want to play this game very smoothly and quickly, you need to enable the joystick with the input bridge application. In my previous video, I have shown how you can get that application. So in this video, I'm going to use that. So let me just close the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So first of all, you have to install and close. Now here, let me just show you. You have to open the input bridge application. As you can see, it will running in the background. You have to close. You don't have to close it completely. You have to just keep it in the background so we can use this application. So now you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. You have to get into the containers, manage containers. You have to click on the Run Explorer. You can openly directly game from the but I'm going to show the how you can enable the joystick. For that, I have opened the container. So now we have opened the input bridge application in the background, and now we have opened the Exagear Windows Emulator application. The game is already installed in my Exagear Windows Emulator application. So let me just show you the start button in the program. So as you can see, the Half-Life game is already installed in my Exagear Windows Emulator application. Now I have to enable the joystick. So let me just click on the input bridge. In my previous video, I've already explained about it. If you did not watch my previous video, just get into my channel and watch that video. I make a complete detailed tutorial of video of this input bridge application. So you have to open this folder, you have to click on the installer, and you have to click to first of all, you have to just open this install.b for a while, for very first time. After you have to open the ib.exe. So after this, you have to just minimize. You don't need to close this. If you close, it will not going to open any joystick, so that you have to minimize. And as you can see, there are setting button appear on the screen. You have to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking that, the joystick has been appeared in the screen. You have to just hide this. Now I'm going to minimize this file manager. Now here I'm going to open the Half-Life game programs. So just now I have opened the Half-Life game, and the joystick enabling also appears here. So as you can see, the game I'm open. Let me just set up the screen. Now as you can see, now I can play this game with the joystick. Many people recommend me to record the video to the screen recording and show. It will be good for you, but I did not do that because it can fake. What I am showing, everything is live in front of you. If I get any problem, you can clearly see in the video. So as you can see, the game has been opened. So let me just check the keys are working or not. So as you can see, let me just increase the volume to understand whether keys are working or not. So this is the buttons I have created this on my own joystick. If you want to create, you can check out my previous video. I have shown how you can do that. So as you can see, the keyboard is perfectly working. The joystick, so as you can see in the screen, this is the joystick buttons and it's perfectly working, as you can see. So let me just click to new game and just click to enter, and here training mode, easy mode. So I am going to click on the easy and just click to enter. As you can see, the joystick is perfectly working as I have shown here while using this keyboard. And as you can see, the Exagear application is running and the input bridge server is also running. So make sure every application is perfectly working over here, and the server is connecting, the game server is connecting. Make sure you have connected with the internet, and as you can see, the keys are appear here. If you want to hide, just click on the settings button. You have to click on this, it will hide. And if you want to re-enable, just click on it. From here you can do a lot of settings of the joystick.
Good morning and welcome to the Black Maze, the Black Maze, the Black Maze, the Black Maze, the Black.
So as you can see, the game has been started. I have decreased the volume so you did not get any disturbance to the video. And as you can see, the graphics of this, and as you can see, while using the joystick you can change the view. So I have done this setting in this joystick. How I have done that, you can check out my previous video. I've shown how you can done that. So as you can see, while using this joystick you can change the view, which is POV. You can change the POV of this game, and this is all the other buttons. I mentioned earlier, the game we are running this game for very first time in this Exagear and Android phone. Before, so it for first time it will lag little bit, but after some time it will going to perfectly work. So as you can see, that you can see the graphics. You can see the graphics of this game. So let me just quickly show you and play this game while using this joystick key buttons, where you can move, and while using this you can change the view of the player. While this button you can jump, while enter you can attack. So basically Half-Life, this is the action game. So as you can see, this is how you can play game. Without the joystick it's impossible to play. So in this video I have shown how you can install Half-Life game and how you can play it in your Android with using joystick. So there are a lot of upcoming videos on my channel that I'm going to show how you can play many PC games in your Android and how you can install any PC software. So I mean, my main motto of my channel to show you how you can make your Android phone into fully PC. You did not require any PC. You can install any PC softwares, you can use it, and even you can install PC games and you can play it in your Android phone. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Half-Life game, perfectly playable in the Android with the joystick. I have shown how you can install and play this game, and how I have shown how you can enable the keyboard joystick in this game, as you can see in the screen. So this is the Half-Life game, perfectly playable in Android with joystick. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.